What's up, guys? It's Eric Kelly, aka the Tech Gentleman, bringing you guys another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what came in this little review kit for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra from Ringke. Shout out to them for supporting the channel. Before I get going though, I want to remind you guys, make sure you hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Threads. I have links in the description below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if you got any comments or questions, make sure you leave them down below. I'll make sure to get back to you. But without further ado, let's talk tech. So once again, huge shout out to Ringke for supporting the channel. We're gonna go ahead and pop this guy open and see what they sent out. I know it's for the Watch Ultra. And so we got our little card. I'll be a little sentimental and read it to you. So hello, the Tech Gentleman. Thanks for giving us this opportunity to work with you in celebrating Samsung's new foldables. Hope you enjoy all the Ringke cases and accessories. Sincerely, Ringke. I appreciate you guys, man. I really do. So in here we've got, looks like two sets of things. So we got a slim case and tempered glass combo pack. This is matte black for the Watch Ultra 47mm. And we've got the same deal in a clear for the Watch Ultra as well. So I'm going to clear this out. And I am ready. Because I've been a little nervous. The Watch Ultra is rugged and all that good stuff. But, you know, it just never feels right unless you got a little protection on your watch. So I got my Watch Ultra here from Samsung. It is in watch only mode. Just finished recording video and pushing this guy to its limits. It's literally been 2 days since I last charged it, and it is on its last leg. But let's go ahead. I'm going to do the clear. I think you guys have seen the black. I think with this one, the clear is probably going to be the best way to go, because you want everybody to know what you got, right? You waited the extra time. You got that clear. Nobody else really has that, so you want to flex on a little bit. So in the package we have our little plastic protector there, and you've got a little baggie with a screen protector, installation guide, and things like that. So take a look at what's in here, and why not, we'll go ahead and put on the screen protector as well. I've got a tempered glass from them on my Watch 6 Classic, and it's been serving me well. Once it's on, you can't really, no, you don't really notice it. I notice it because I didn't do a great job of centering it perfectly, so it's kind of offset just a little bit. But on this guy, I'm going to try to do a better job. So you've got what looks like a little something to smooth out the glass once you put it on there. You got got an installation guide here. You got the actual tempered glass here itself. Some what looks like alignment or dust removal stickers, and some little screen cleaning wipes. So we'll go ahead and I just want to see what this little plastic deal looks like on here first. And it's very simple, and it does exactly what I thought it was going to do. It goes on, and once you get about, shoot, I'd say a foot and a half away from it, you can't really tell it's on there, but you still get to see every inch of that watch, and you get to see all the color. Doesn't really interfere with the watch shape or design or anything like that. To me, that's perfect. I like that. Now I don't have to be worried about bumping it into something and it getting messed up. I think that's a win. So I know they have those instructions there, but I'm an OG in this screen protector game, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do what I know to do best, which is take this little wipe, get the screen clean. And they did include a little microfiber, but of course I got one around here. And I'm going to use to clean this guy up. Ringke definitely need to include a microfiber in there so you can get your screens perfectly clean before installation. And take this guy out and we'll look exactly at how it's set up. So they got step one, which is essentially just peel off this mask before application. So this is going to be our sticky side here. Flip it like this, one last look, make sure there are no dust or anything like that. And we're going to peel and stick. And this is real time. Bring it in. Did we get it? Is it offset just a little bit? It is, but before it fully sets, move it down just a little bit, try to get it perfect. And all right, boom. Wipe it down one more time, and now it's on there. And now my watch is fully protected. The outside, the glass, we're ready to go. And you can barely tell. The clear, I'm really liking the clear. And with the black, I opened the black just so you can see it. It's not much going with it, but you know, it's another option. I think also if you have the white and you want to tone down the white a little bit, the black might be an option. But for me, definitely gonna go with the clear, because for the same reason some folks don't tint their windows on their car, they got to see me, all right? They got to see me with it. So take this guy off. All right, it's on there pretty good. Okay. All right, got that off without breaking it. And I want to pop on the black just so you guys can see what it looks like. So yeah, if you want to make this, you know, if you want to tone this down real hard, throw the black on here. And if you got some other bands or something, you know, popping watch face you want to use, this might let you, I think this really lets you kind of get away with that, you know. Yeah, definitely tones it down a lot with the black. But like I said, you know what's for me, that clear. That clear is for me. I waited an extra month to get my watch. They gonna see what I got when I pull up. All right. But once again, this has been the Tech Gentleman. I have links for these down in the description below. If you got any comments or questions, make sure you leave them and I'll get back to you. But until next time, peace.